Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS8601 Mobile Computing, Unit-1, the introduction of mobile computing. In mobile computing is one of the cellular, that is analog and digital cellular technologies. First, in this session, we have to go to discuss the introduction to mobile technology and what are the different techniques are followed and what are the advanced technology and what is the applications and what are the generations. Now you can see the syllabus of unit 1. The first topic is a introduction to mobile computing, the second one is a application of mobile computing, and the third one is a generation of mobile computing technologies, and also the multiplexing schemes. We are using the telecommunication medium. Till now the technology of multiplexing is a space division multiplexing access, time division multiple access, and frequency division multiplex access, and code division multiplexing access. So today we discuss the introduction to mobile computing. Now we can see this presentation. First, what is mobile computing? Is one of the technology that allows the transmission of data. So the data are hearing the voice or the informations or any other. So the transmission of the data via a computer without having to be connected to a fixed physical link. And also the mobile voice communication is widely established throughout the world and has had a very rapid increase in the number of subscribers to the various cellular network over the last few years. An extension of this technology is the ability to send and receive the data across this cellular network. This is a concept and principle of mobile computing. The mobile data communication has become a very important and rapidly evolving the technology, as it allows the user to transmit the data from remote location to other remote location and or fixed locations. Now we are moving to the what are the existing cellular architectures. In the mobile telephones took off with the introduction of cellular technologies which allowed the efficient utilization of frequencies, enabling the connection of a large number of users. During 1980s, the first introduction of the analog technology was used, and further in 1990s we are introducing the digital cellular technology which was introduced with the GSM module. It is the first generation of the digital cellular technology. Now, in today, the trending of today, many people using the mobile computing for different purpose. We are using the different applications. Now, what are the advances in technology and technology in background and computers evolve? First one is advances in technology. It more computing power in smaller devices and is flat and lightweight display with low power consumption. So low power consumption is one of the primary development of computing in any other technology. And third one, new user interfaces due to small dimensions, so reduce the area. So the small devices, it can become the reduction of the area. So the size of the area will be reduced and also the power will be reduced, and the speed, there is a more bandwidth per second per space. So the advances in this mobile computing technology, there are the speed, power and area, and multiple wireless techniques are followed. So these are the advances in technologies. And then the technologies in the background, first one is the device location awareness, computer adapt to their environment. User location awareness, that is a computer recognize the location of the user and react the approximately, that is a call forwarding technology. And the computer involved, it is a smaller and cheaper, portable and replaceable. And also the integration or distributions. So these are the advances in the technology of mobile computing technologies. Now there are the two aspects of mobile computing. The first one is the user mobility and the device portability. The user mobility, the user communicate anytime, anywhere with anyone. For example, it can be the user read and write the email on a web browser in anytime, anywhere, within anyone. So these are the category of we are using the technology of mobile computing in the mobility. And also the device portability. What is the device portability? The device can be connected anytime, anywhere to the network. That is a device. It can be supporting the subscriber device into that cellular technologies. And in the device portability, wireless term is used, which is this only describe the way of accessing a network. So the network is a different category of protocols we are using the autonomous areas. So the user subscriber, we are using the device mobility to support the different cellular protocols. The the wire is replaced by the transmission of electromagnetic wave through the air. So it is called as a wireless communication medium. Now, the wireless communication device can exhibit one of the following characteristics. So the communication device, what is the communication device in the base station and also the cellular subscriber mobile station? So we are using the different characteristics of the communication devices. Number one, fixed and wired. That is the device use fixed network. This configuration describes the typical desktop computer in an office. So these are the category of fixed and wired communication devices. The second communication device, mobile and wired. Many of today's laptops fall into this category. User carry the laptop from one place to next and reconnecting to the company's network via the telephone network and also a modem. The third category of the communication device characteristics of fixed and wireless. In this mode is used for installing the network in historical building to avoid the damage of installing wires. So the wires will be replaced within the wireless transmission or buying or selling of goods and services so to ensure the fast network setup. And finally the mobile and wireless, no cable restricts the user who can roam between different wireless networks. In today's most successful example of this category is a global system for mobile communication with more than 8 million users are used in these mobile and wired communication devices. So in this lecture we have to discuss the introduction of mobile computing. Once again I repeat the today presentation. So first of all, we discuss the mobile computing. What is a mobile computing? It's a technology that transmit the data via a computer without having to the connected to a fixed physical link. So the physical link, so for we can take the data transmission from one place to another place, that is called as communication medium. So the communication medium, it is broadly the two categories, that is wired and wireless. In our mobile computing technology, we are using the wireless transmission and wireless reception technique. The data will be transmitted through the wireless medium and the data can receive to the wireless medium. So we are using the different communication links, that is called, that is our, and the different category, that is a physical link and a data link and routing and transportation and applications and also sessions link. So we are, the data will be prepared and we data will be transmitted in the different kind of links to be used in this wireless communication medium. So the mobile computing system is one of the advanced technology of user subscribers to communicate with a different cellular network in the fastest speed of mobile user. Now the next session we are going to discuss the applications of mobile computing. Thank you for watching this video.